So, ladies and gentlemen, today's question was how many times in one day of Brahma does Krishna appear in this world? And to my surprise, I don't know why, but I was getting this intuition. Maybe most of you will write four, and most of you have written four. So the correct answer is option A. It is one. It's not two, it's not three, it's not four. So he appears once in a day of Brahma. So many of you were confused regarding the things which I had said about Kalpa and others like day of Brahma, and also I will try to explain here. But if you want more explanation, you can watch the video which I uploaded this Monday, last Monday. I mean, okay. In that, I had explained how the three Vishnus manifest and about the Manvantara cycles. But I'll try to explain in brief here again. So, so as I had given in another quiz, how long does one Brahma live? So he lives for 100 years of his calculation, which is around 311 trillion years according to our earthly calculation. All right. And then so like that 100 years, then every day, so one day of Brahma is like divided. So like we have 24 hours, so he also has his time, within one day. So his day is divided like this. So there are 1,000 Divya Yugas in one day of Brahma. 1,000 Divya Yugas means this current Yuga where we are, this is known as Kali Yuga, which started when approximately Krishna had departed from this world 5,000 years back. And then before this there was Dwapar Yuga, and then before that there was Treta, and before that there was Satya Yuga. So if you combine these four yugas, and generally what happens after Satya Yuga, Dwapar Yuga comes, then Treta Yuga, and then Kali Yuga. But whenever Krishna appears, this Dwapara and Treta exchanges, that we'll discuss later, hopefully. So the thing is, these four yugas, either ways you consider, makes one Divya Yuga. Okay, this is known as one millennium. All right. So and then if you take 1,000 Divya Yugas like this, so it's like 1,000 times Satya Yuga, and then Dwapar Yuga, Treta Yuga, Kali Yuga, 1,000 times like this. This becomes one day of Brahma. Okay, but it's not like that all of them are there till this time, which means this 1,000 is divided into 14 parts. Okay, like we have 24 hours, so this is divided into 14 parts. So if you divide 1,000 by 14, it comes to around approx 71 point something. Okay, but there is another thing like called as Sandhya, which I will not discuss now. It gets very complicated. So what happens? Like we have 1 hour, so there is one Manu. So imagine you are Lord Brahma. You are awake today. So then for 71 millenniums, you will hand over this universe to one Manu. Okay, and from the word Manu, Manushya comes actually. Okay, so then what happens? This Manu has his own set of demigods. He has his Indra, Chandra, Varuna, Agni, Vayu, and all these things. And all these devatas, they rule till 71 millenniums. So 71 into 4, if you count like this, the total time. Okay, and Kali Yuga's duration is 4,32,000 years. So 5,000 years have passed. So a bit more than 4,27,000 years are remaining. So then Dwapar Yuga is double of that. Then Treta Yuga is triple, and Satya Yuga is 4 times of that. Okay, so so like this 71 times when this cycle passes, one Manu's time is over. This is known as Manvantara. Okay, so like this in one day of Brahma there are 14 Manus. Okay, so now and every Manu rules for 71 Divya Yuga. So now within the 14 Manus, the seventh Manu, all right, 14 Manus, and then 6 Manus are gone, and seventh Manu. So it is around afternoon time as per Lord Brahma's calculation. It's late, yeah, it's afternoon because 6 is like 12, and then 7th is like after 12. Okay, something you can understand like this. Now within that, as I said, 71 millenniums are there. Okay, every Manu has 71 millenniums. So now within the 7th Manvantara, 28th millennium is the one where Krishna appears. So in the seventh Manvanthar, 28th millennium. So Manus are over, the seventh Manu starts, and his 27 millenniums are over, and in the 28th millennium, again these four yugas are there. Within that, the third, which is exchanged as Dwapar Yuga, in all the other Divya Yugas, Dwapar Yuga is always the second. Okay, but in this, because Krishna comes, he this gets exchanged, and in then you might think, then what about the other Divya Yugas, the 999? So like for example, seventh Manvanthara, 27th millennium, who comes in Dwapar Yuga that time? So or 29th millennium, who comes in that, or who comes in the fifth Manu's 69th millennium, or whatever, third Manu's 27th millennium, whatever, who comes that time? So Krishna himself does not come. Krishna's expansion as Vasudev Krishna, he comes actually. But this Manvantara and this millennium which we are in, this is a very special millennium. This is the one where Krishna himself comes. This is not his expansion, all right? And therefore this millennium is very, very, very special. This happens only once in a day of Brahma. So the probability of not probability, you can say, the it's like 1 by 1000, all right, and this number is fixed. And so similarly, Lord Ram's coming is also fixed. All right, so Lord Ram did not come in this Manvantha, sorry, in this Divya Yuga. He does not come in this Divya Yuga. He comes in another Divya Yuga, in another Manvanthara. Okay, Lord Narsingh Dev comes in another. So these things are mentioned actually in Srimad Bhagavatam. All right, if you wish to read, you can read second canto, third canto. These things are all mentioned. All right. I know it's very complicated stuff, but this is what it is. All right. So the answer is seventh. Once he comes, seventh Manvantara, 28th millennium. That is when Krishna appears, and that is why this Yuga is this Divya Yuga is very, very, very special, and we are indeed very lucky to be born in this Divya Yuga. All right. Thank you very much, and see you tomorrow.